Guys, we're doing our Brazilian barbecue sauce here. Made some hot pepper vinegar out of smoked habaneros that we had available. Smoked them up earlier in the past summer. We're gonna have some lemon verbena, some whole basil leaves, some Italian seasoning. Gonna use some Caro corn syrup, garlic, onion, and so this is going to be a little thickened. We'll probably add a little bit more sugar to it because it'll need a little bit more sweetener, I think. But it's going to be spicy. This is our hot one. So we're going to put our onions and our garlic in there. And then we're going to add our seasonings. And then we're just going to heat it up. Let it simmer for a little bit. And use the rest of the onions that we chopped up. Ooh, a little hot. A little too hot. Woo. It's all good. Them nice and brown. Don't do that at home. Good scoop of garlic. Alright, I'm going to add our dry seasonings. No real measurements here, guys. Good pinch of basil. Pinch of lemon verbena. Big pinch of Italian seasoning. This all mixed. Okay, I'm going to use about 2/3 cup of sugar. That's a third. 2/3. Mix that in. Remember, it's hot. We don't want anything burning. Alright. This is about a pint of vinegar with the hot peppers in it. These are hot habaneros, smoked habaneros. So I'm not going to leave the flakes in it. I'm going to strain it. But that vinegar is very hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the same amount. Not spiced vinegar. It's apple cider. Then we're going to see what the heat does. Might need more sugar. I'm not sure. But we're going to add our Caro syrup first. And then we're going to see if it thickens it up a little bit. I like to have it a little thick. So this will add a little bit of sweetness to it too. I like things spicy, but I don't want them too spicy. There's a lot of people that eat with us aren't big on spice, so I'm gonna let this heat up. See what I got. See what the heat level is.